On the 2G, we've certainly not seen the charge sheet yet, but in response to the question which is being asked, we understand that the second charge sheet, supplementary charge sheet which has been filed, Rajya Sabha MP Ms. Kanimuri's name has come in. However, in the context of Kalaignar TV, it is known very well that she holds only a 20% stake. The other executive has also been named in the charge sheet. However, what begs the question is the 60% shareholder, Srimati Dayalu Ammal, has not been named. We certainly wonder if there has been any political pressure as a result of which the CBI has hesitated to add the name. Has there been a political bargaining? Has there been a political threat that there will be withdrawal of some ministers from the cabinet? We have been repeatedly told that the CBI in the 2G case is directly being monitored by the Supreme Court. However, one fails to understand the compulsion of the CBI as to how a 60% shareholder in Kalaignar TV has not even been named, whilst the 20% shareholder has appeared in the supplementary charge sheet. The CBI has to explain itself, and I'm sure the government will have to come out to say if there's been any interference or if there has been any perception of a threat resulting in not adding the name of a majority stakeholder. At this moment, this is all we would like to say. Thank you. आज सीबीआई ने 2G मामले में सप्लीमेंट्री चार्जशीट कोर्ट में दाखिल किए हैं, जिसमें राज्यसभा मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट कनिमुरी जी का नाम है, जो कलाइग्नार टीवी में सिर्फ 20% शेयर होल्डिंग है उनकी। 50% से ज़्यादा, मतलब 60% तक शेयर होल्डर श्रीमती दयालु अम्माल, जो तमिलनाडु मुख्यमंत्री की पत्नी है, उनके नाम नहीं है। हम ये पूछना चाहते हैं, क्या कुछ कारण है इसके पीछे? हाँ, सीबीआई इस मामले में सुप्रीम कोर्ट की सुपरविजन के दायरे में काम कर रही है, फिर भी हम ये पूछना चाह रहे हैं और ज़रूर सरकार इसका जवाब दे कि क्या कुछ दबाव था क्या कि मेजॉरिटी स्टेक होल्डर के नाम इस चार्जशीट में दाखिल नहीं हुई। क्यों 60% शेयर होल्डर जो है उनके नाम चार्जशीट में नहीं आ रही है, 20% का शेयर होल्डर के सिर्फ चुना हुआ नाम आ रही है? दोनों को नाम होना था। इसमें स्पष्टीकरण जरूर चाहिए। I'm aware of it. I'm aware of it.
In a way, technically, what has the government got to do with it? Unless you can make the allegation that the government has directed the CBI not to include the name of the album.
That may be your wish. Neena ji, I've said what I wanted to say. No, I've already said. I've also said that we are aware, all of us are aware, that CBI is functioning under the direct supervision of the Supreme Court. That's very clear to us in the BJP. However, what I've also raised it as a very clear question, saying one is unable to understand as to how a 20% shareholder's name appears in a charge sheet while the 60% doesn't appear. So obviously the CBI, which is filing the charge sheet, will have to say the necessary answer. And if there was a political And if it was a political pressure, certainly we also want the government to answer for it. I've made that plain.
ये तो सीबीआई बताएगी तो उसके दबाव में काम करेंगे, लेकिन क्या आपका आरोप है कि कांग्रेस ब्यूरो ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन जो आप कहते रहे हैं कि सीबीआई भी वैसे ही काम कर रही है, बावजूद इसके कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट निगरानी रख रहा है, लेकिन सरकार का प्रभाव है अपनी सीबीआई पे?
उनके जवाब आने दीजिए, उससे साफी होगा कि कहां से ऑर्डर उनका मिल रही है। अब तो हम मानते हैं सीबीआई सुप्रीम कोर्ट के सुपरविजन के अंडर ही काम कर रही है, फिर भी हम समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं क्यों एक 20% शेयर होल्डर का नाम है, 60% का शेयर होल्डर के नाम क्यों नहीं है। Thank you. Is there anything else?
Ma'am, there are developments on the Narendra Modi riots case happening every day. And
Today's report, which has been submitted to the Supreme Court, the SIT report on Godhra, is coming up for hearing, if I understand correct, on the 27th of this month. It is only after that, and before that, if we get a copy of the report itself, will we be able to comment on it? After all, we've just heard that the report has been submitted. So we'll wait for it. आज गोधरा कांड के ऊपर एसआईटी के रिपोर्ट दाखिल हुई है। ये प्रश्न पूछा जा रहे हैं कि उसके ऊपर आपके राय क्या है। सुनवाई के लिए अप्रैल 27 की डेट दिया गया है सुप्रीम कोर्ट में। तब उससे पहले अगर हमें रिपोर्ट मिलता है, उसको देखने के बाद हम उसके ऊपर कमेंट करेंगे। Not yet. If there's anything, we'll come back.